This is the Aquaclean AQ11X robot, the pool robot. The Aquaclean AQ11X. And the job of this pool robot is to go into the pool, best for an in-ground swimming pool, and let it swim around. This is the main unit here. I nicknamed my robot, Robbie the Robot. But this is it. This is Robbie the Robot. The model AQ11X. So I'll show you how it works. First thing we want to do is turn it upside down, and these are the track wheels that go along the bottom of the pool, and they're made of a nice soft rubber so that they don't ruin the bottom of the pool. We don't want it to rip up the liner of the pool when we put it in. So this is the cleaning basket, and the way this works basically is the robot's soft wheels here, the foam rollers, will roll to move the robot, the bottom of the pool, along with these feet here too. And it'll also use propulsion. It'll actually blow water through certain jets to move it around. But the first thing we're going to want to do is take the cover off here. This is the inside, where it has a cage that protects the motor. That's the inside of it. That's the motor of the robot. So this protects that. We'll put that back in place. And then we have a strainer bag that we're going to put over this here, over these fasteners. So basically what happens is the robot sucks in all the dirt through these little openings right here and goes into the trap bag. So we're going to put that back in place here. It's right at the bottom. Push that in carefully. Not too firmly, we don't want to break anything. And once that's in position, we flip one side, flip the other side, like so. So that's locked in place. We got a new fresh bag in there. So then we turn it over carefully. Remember, it's filled with computer parts, so we've got to be really careful with it. We're going to get that ready. So connected to this Aquaclean pool robot, there's a cable. And this cable, a flotation cable, actually has a wire inside of it, and that's going to be connected to the Aqua controller. So what we're going to do with that is we're going to plug that in first. So what we do is we set that up first, but we don't plug that in. We just set it here. I usually set that over here by the pool, usually by the deep end. I stretch this flotation cable out as far as I can without tangling it. And I take the connector end that's going to go into the controller over here. I set it down over here. And again, I'm going to untangle it. We want to make sure to get rid of these tangles. We don't want it to get all tangled up. I actually put the cable in the water. All of the cable is meant to float on the surface. It's important to keep the black part, I call this the handle, out of the water before we plug that in. Next step is we take the robot, pool cleaning robot, grab it by the handle here, we carefully put it in the water, we let it go. We say, see you later, pool robot. So it fills with water, slowly fills with water. It's going to sink to the bottom of the pool. Bye-bye, robot. Takes a while. This is the first cleaning of the season, so it sometimes takes a while to get sunk down, but it will. It'll fill up with water and sink to the bottom. Once it sinks down to the bottom of the pool, you know that it's safe to get started. So we'll move over here to the controller. Right here. We're going to plug this in first. We're going to plug the cable in to the connector point right here. Once that's in nice and snug, nice and tight, we're going to take the plug, we're going to plug it into our outlet over here. Once the robot's plugged in, we come over here and we click it on for 2 hours and we start it. We turn it on. We know that it's on. We see the light. Yep, there she goes. She comes right out of the water all by herself. She's actually cleaning the walls right now. See how she's scrubbing the walls with the wheel. Then she makes her way back down into the pool. Bye-bye, Robbie. See, she's going to look for the dirt. See all the dirt at the bottom of the pool. So she uses those roller wheels and all of the water jets to move herself around. So what she does now is she moves through the whole pool like this. So she'll move around all by herself. See, now she's down here at the deep end, cleaning all the dirt off the bottom. The pool's nice and dirty, but she's going to do a great job cleaning it. See, here she comes up. There she is, cleaning all the yucky worms off the bottom of the pool. So I'll let her sit out here for about 2 hours, cleaning the pool. She'll just work at it, collecting all that dirt in the basket and the netting that we put on there.
The Aquaclean AQ11X pool robot. She's done a great job for about 8 years. I probably use it anywhere from 12 to 24 times throughout the pool season, which is in May all the way through till October, sometimes November. She's done a spectacular job. She started winding down at the end of this video, funny enough. And I'll be doing a new review on a new pool cleaning robot that I got because I don't make this model anymore. But no doubt this has been a spectacular and very resilient robot. I'm very happy with it.